Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Salad spinner. Healthy made easy. Our Pro Pump salad spinner makes it so easy to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Large salad spinner helps you to clean and serve salad greens and other produce, including fruits and even berries, in seconds. Multiple uses. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. Enough for everyone. The generous capacity of our salad spinner, 6.65 quart bowl, 5.25 quart basket, means you can put in enough food to feed your entire family. So easy. We know you're busy when it comes to making meals, so we've engineered our large salad spinner for convenient one-handed operation. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin, then tap the brake button when done. Stable and secure. The clear bowl features a soft, non-slip base to secure the salad spinner while in use, with the added bonus of protecting your countertops from getting scratched. Can opener. Durable heavy-duty build, made with stainless steel for long-lasting performance. This manual can opener easily handles tough cans, perfect for everyday kitchen use. Smooth edge cutting features a safe edge design that ensures no sharp edges, making it safe and reliable can opener for seniors, children, and all household members. Ergonomic comfort grip. Designed with a non-slip, easy-to-turn handle, this handheld can opener is ideal for people with arthritis or weak hands, ensuring effortless operation. Versatile kitchen tool. Works as a multifunctional can and bottle opener, making it an essential addition to your kitchen essentials and perfect for any cooking needs. Compact and travel-friendly. Lightweight and portable, this heavy-duty can opener is great for home kitchens, camping trips, while saving storage space. Air fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT Air Fryer impressively blends functionality and design, making it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a generous 5-quart capacity, it accommodates meals for families and small gatherings alike. Its sleek white exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. A notable feature of this air fryer is its programmability, which allows users to select from various cooking methods, including roasting, broiling, baking, air frying, and dehydrating. This versatility caters to an array of culinary needs and encourages experimentation with different recipes. The touch control method enhances user experience, facilitating easy navigation through the settings. Operating at 1500 watts, the Cosori air fryer reaches temperatures ranging from a minimum of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range enables precise cooking, ensuring that food is evenly cooked while also allowing for dehydration at lower settings. The non-stick coating aids in easy food release and simplifies the cleaning process, making it dishwasher safe for added convenience. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. Professional power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source, corded electric. Amperage, 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72 watts professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Crepe maker and dosa maker. Versatility. Non-stick coated plate surface lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, egg rolls, chapati, and more breakfast favorites. Heat up quickly in 20 seconds. Forget from your old crepe pan. Cord length, 27.5 inch. Perfectly combo. Our electric crepes maker with an automatic temperature controller prevents burning. High-powered heating element, 120 volt, 60 Hz, 800 watts, operated by a one-press on-off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The long handle design for easy holding operating saves space and makes you feel safe and love using it. Highly convenient. Our crepe machine is a compact, quick, and convenient cooktop. This nonstick crepe maker has a large cooking die-cast aluminum area of 8-inch, making it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. Preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Easy to clean, this round electric single slow cooker. The Crock-Pot Manual 7-quart slow cooker combines convenience and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With a striking turquoise finish, its stainless steel construction ensures durability and an appealing look that complements various kitchen styles. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and 9.5 inches in width, this slow cooker is sizable enough to accommodate meals for families or gatherings with a generous 7-quart capacity. The appliance operates at 1500 watts, providing reliable performance for slow cooking, allowing for the development of rich flavors and tender textures in your meals. The control method is simplistic yet effective, featuring a manual control type with 3 distinct settings. This straightforward functionality means anyone can quickly learn to use it, making it suitable for both experienced chefs and novice cooks alike. However, it is important to note that it is not dishwasher safe, which might require some extra effort for cleaning. Kitsur Dish Rack. Compact volume. Kitsur Dish Rack is suitable for kitchens with limited space. The bottom layer measures only 12 W by 15 EL, and the overall height is 5 inches. The rack is capable of holding 10 plates and other bowls and glasses. With a Kitsur dish rack, you can perfectly save your countertop space. Premium material. Kitsura Kitchen Dish Drying Rack has a plastic drain board and premium stainless steel, which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. It would be a reassuring choice. Glass cup set. 4-piece colored glass cup set. This cute set includes 4 colored iced coffee cups with matching reusable glass straws, bamboo lids, and 2 straw brushes for effortless cleaning. Enjoy 16 at 500 milliliters of delicious drinks in these cute goblets. Stylish colors. Each glass cup in this glasses set comes in a different pastel color: pink, clear, blue, and green, with glass straws to match. Their simple yet stylish design can complement any home decor. Sealed bamboo lids. Each bamboo lid comes with a double silicone ring to help prevent leaks. The firm seal of our reusable coffee cups with lids will keep your drinks safe while adding a touch of glam to your glass set. Easy maintenance. Our BPA-free and sturdy glass cups, lids, and glass straws make great coffee bar accessories. Made with borosilicate glass for extra resistance, these glasses won't crack easily, are food safe, and dishwasher safe. To increase longevity, do not put the bamboo lids in the dishwasher. Great to show off your drinks. Our colored iced coffee cups with lids are great to show off your delicious drink of the day. From coffee to smoothies, juices, and more, this stylish set will make your beverage look great on Instagram, TikTok, and real life. Ninja Food Processor. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1000 peak watt motor, this Ninja Food Processor effortlessly handles tough ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Auto IQ technology features 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs that take the guesswork out of food prep, providing one-touch control for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough making. Large capacity. The 9-cup bowl is perfect for large batches, making it ideal for family meals, entertaining, or weekly meal prep, saving you Presto pressure cooker. Presto digital canner for easy home canning. The first digital canner that automates both pressure canning and water bath canning, making it safe and simple to preserve your favorite foods right in your kitchen. USDA-approved pressure canning. Safely process low-acid foods such as meat, poultry, fish, and vegetables with this Presto digital pressure canner that meets USDA guidelines. No adjustments are needed for high altitudes. Dual canning functions. This versatile canner doubles as a water bath canner for preserving fruits, jams, jellies, and salsa, providing the perfect tool for all your home canning needs.